Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian French onion soup. First, thinly slice 3 to 4 large yellow onions. The key to great flavor is proper caramelization. Cook them slowly in 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil over medium-low heat. Stir frequently for 30 to 45 minutes until they achieve a rich, deep golden brown color. This step builds the foundational sweetness for your soup. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the liquid base. Deglaze the pot with 1/4 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. Then, pour in 6 cups of a rich, flavorful vegetable broth. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme and a bay leaf for aromatic depth. Simmer the soup gently for at least 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together perfectly. No French onion soup is complete without its iconic cheesy bread topping. Slice a baguette into 1-inch thick pieces. You can toast these slices in an oven or a toaster until they are lightly golden and crisp. For an extra layer of flavor, gently rub each toasted bread slice with a cut garlic clove. This simple step adds a wonderful aromatic touch that complements the rich soup. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your magnificent vegetarian French onion soup. Ladle the hot soup into individual oven-safe bowls. Place 1 or 2 pieces of the garlic-rubbed toasted bread on top of the soup. Generously cover the bread with about 1/2 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. Broil for a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly, melted, and beautifully golden brown. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.